Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Trying out a new style for this video. As you can see right here, we got two DSLRs recording both angles of the PCs, and then you have my my iPhone camera recording me now. So guys, today we're gonna go ahead and change out the power supplies between the NZXT build and of course my CyberPower build. Now the reason why I'm changing out the power supplies is because I am upgrading to a 3080, 3090, and in order to do that, you need at least 850 watt power supply in order to go ahead and use it. And now you can see right here, we have this bad boy right here is 1000 watts, and we have 750 NZXT. Now, keep in mind, I said this in the video earlier today, I'll say it again, is that you can use a 750 watt power supply if you're using an i7 on either the 3080, 3090. But if you get an i9, like the created build right here does have, you cannot use a 3080, 3090 because it needs 850 watts. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So starting off right away, we of course do have this bad boy right here, which your boy is gonna need a screwdriver, and lucky for me, your boy got a screwdriver. So let's go ahead and undo this power supply. Gonna be a freaking interesting to, you know, I mean, I think this power supply is also smaller. I gotta make sure the case fits it. That's another thing. It should. It definitely should, because if this is smaller, then it will still fit the other one, and this one has enough leeway room to fit the other one too. So biggest thing when you are changing out power supplies, make sure you keep an idea of where the screws are. You always want to make sure you got an idea where the screws are, because yeah, lose the screws, be in a bad situation. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm actually going to do this with my iPad. Do it with any camera. Always take a picture of where everything is plugged in. And the reason why we're doing this, guys, is because we want to make sure we plug everything back in to the right place. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna have to try to get this out, which it's gonna be really annoying in order to get this out, because I'm trying not to unplug everything, but I'm gonna have to unplug everything. Alright, so let's use an iPad here. Try to get as much pictures as possible of what's going on here. Do that. Alright. Should be good enough. Because like that, oh, is the cable we had. Okay. So this is our bad boy we have, guys. 850 watt NZXT bad boy right here. So this is a power supply. That was a lot more annoying than I thought it was gonna be. Alright, so get our trusty dusty screwdriver here. Let's take apart this one too. Alright. I am sweating, man. Anyone who said this was gonna be easy, you're lying. Changing out power supplies, right? What I'd rather be doing on a Sunday night. Making a video for you guys, though, is all that's worth it. Alright. Let's go ahead and do that. This bad boy's gonna pop. Like I said before, it's a lot easier doing this build, this PC, than it is in that PC. But what we're gonna do here is we're going to go in the back here, take a little picture of everything, where everything goes, before we start unplugging things. Okay. It's funny, everything has a latch, so it's like when you plug in everything, You have to unlatch everything to plug it in. Oh, this one also has a very annoying power supply cable. Okay. Whew, okay, baby. All right. It's going to be... I guarantee putting these back in will be very easy. Let's see how it works. Putting them back in will be very easy. All right, come on. I gotta get a little leeway room here. A little bit. Oh crap, that's, yeah, I was about to say that's probably why. There we go. So now, this is actually dusty. This is my Corsair. Oh, usually it's out right here. 1,000-watt power supply. That's that bad boy right there. Okay, so now the fun part is plugging everything back in. For the most part, it should be plain simple. Ugh. We only have, what is this? 1, 2, 3. 3 ports there. Let me de-dust this bad boy. This handy dandy thing right here. Might as well do this if I'm already here. All that is, guys, is pressurized air. That's all that is. All right, so we're gonna have the bad boy sit. Come on, get all the cables. We're missing one, hang on. Hang on. Gotta make sure we get all the cables out here. All right. Connected to the 6-pin. All right. There we go. 1. 2. Boom. Hang on. Let's make sure of something. I don't want to plug it into the incorrect thing, get it powered up, and then we have an issue. Okay. All right, so the moment of truth is, does it boot? If it doesn't boot, might have more issues. So there we go. Moment of truth, baby. You know what's funny is I forgot I accidentally unplugged that. So we are now 3090 ready, guys. We are now officially 3090 ready in this power supply, in this CPU, in this NZXT build. Ah, crap. All right. Make sure it's posting. Okay. All right. Still off center, there we go. Getting your windows ready. Bam! First PC, 1,000-watt power supply. That's number 1, guys. Now we got number 2 over here. So let's go ahead and we don't need this angle anymore. So actually, you know, we'll keep it rolling. We'll keep this angle rolling too. Why not? Okay. This one should be a lot easier, okay? It's pretty much plain and simple. I gotta get make sure my cable, microphone. I have all the confidence in the world it won't work. Yeah, right? Let's be confident here, guys. Oh yeah, baby. That's that boy. He's great. Let's hit that like button for this to work. Nope, that's not that one. Those 2 are that. Oh no. Don't tell me that I plugged this power cord directly into power. I think I did. I didn't, because I like surge protection, because I'm a kid. Kid with a drink. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Question is, would this kid with a dream actually work? Alright, that's good signs. Initial light up. Alright. Looks good. But looks. What do you mean so much? Don't be transparent now, guys. Okay. I need this power cord. This bad boy right here. Oh god. Come on. Come on. Alright. If it doesn't post, is it a ghost? I promise I didn't get that off. Top 10 most cringiest jokes of all time. Might have. So. Pretty sure that was done anyway. Alright. And it posted, guys. It posted. And that means we have just swapped both power supplies in these 2 PCs. Wow. That was a lot more annoying than I thought it was going to be. Guys, if you did enjoy this video at any given time, make sure to like and subscribe button down below. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.